Hi, my name's Kieren Jameson, and I run the Trailhead Content Engineering team at Salesforce. I'm also a co-founder of Rad Women, a group that teaches women how to code on the Salesforce platform. Now, you may have heard some terms like Apex and triggers, SOCL, classes, and methods. Does that sound intimidating? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people who are new to code feel intimidated, but we're here to help you understand some of the building blocks that make up the programmatic side of the Salesforce platform. But why, as an admin, is it important to know how to code? It all comes down to adding another tool to your admin toolkit. As a Salesforce admin, it's up to you to translate business requirements into working functionality. Being able to work with code will help you build the right features for your users. Sometimes you may code these features yourself. Other times you'll work with developers, and when you do, it's important to speak the same language. That way, together, you'll build the best solutions possible. You're also probably the first point of contact when something isn't working right in your org. And if you're like me, then you aren't satisfied until you know how everything works, not just the point-and-click configurations. Knowing how to read code can really streamline your problem-solving efforts and get issues resolved fast. So you're wanting to learn to code, but perhaps you're still feeling a little anxious. Well, don't be. Here's a little secret. Salesforce admins are in the prime spot to learn to code. The concepts you already know, translating requirements, testing new functionality, and interacting with the database schema, all build a fantastic foundation for you to learn coding skills. I'm excited you've chosen to embark on this journey. It might be challenging, but if you like solving problems, you're going to love to code. And in the end, you'll have some great new skills and open up some exciting opportunities for your Salesforce career. So let's get started.